Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Galeclaw glider on Xbox. First, you'll need to obtain this special item within the game world. Once acquired, equip it through your inventory. The glider allows for extended aerial movement, providing a significant advantage for traversal and tactical positioning. Mastering its controls will greatly enhance your gameplay experience, letting you navigate the environment with ease and precision. To get your hands on the Galeclaw glider, you typically find it as a rare drop from certain enemies, or sometimes as a reward for completing specific quests. Once it's in your possession, open your character's inventory and select the glider to equip it to an available slot. Make sure your controller settings have the jump or action button mapped correctly, as this is crucial for activating the glider midair. Activating the Galeclaw glider is simple. Just press and hold the jump button while you are airborne. You can then steer your character using the left analog stick, guiding your flight path. To maintain altitude for longer periods, try to find updrafts or use slight upward movements, but remember the glider has a natural descent rate. Practice makes perfect for smooth and efficient gliding. For advanced techniques, try combining your glider with other movement abilities, like a double jump or dash, right before activating it to gain extra height or speed. This allows for rapid repositioning during combat or quick escapes. The glider is also excellent for scouting areas from above, giving you a tactical overview. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to enhance your daily life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.